here is the mysterious case. I wanted to show you guys up close. I'm recording on my iPhone. Alright, so this is the case. It's still in its plastic. As you can see, maybe, hopefully, without blinding you guys. Lord, if I can pick it up. It is floating emojis. Well, not emojis. Floating apps, like for that from the iPhone. I'm going to take it out of the case. So it is silver. Remember my part one, I said I didn't want any gold. I wanted silver glitter, and it is a waterfall of different apps from the iPhone. Isn't it cute? I'm super petty, but I like what I like. And I wanted one of these. So that is it. So I'm glad I got it. It is nice and hard. It's not like a flexible. It does have some bling on the side where your phone goes in. So it's kind of like a double layer. And it does have a space for you to, you know, use your on and off button. So, and then it has bling, a little bling at the bottom. Super cute. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to record from my daughter's phone so I can actually put this on my phone and show you guys what it looks like, just in case you guys are interested in getting one and you know what it looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I have the iPhone 8 Plus. I have the black one, so this is what it looks like on. So this is what it looks like on the black one. And as you can see, it just says the waterfall. It's really cute. I'm glad I got it. So yeah, that is it. Alright guys, so this is the conclusion of part 2 of the Amazon drama. The case that actually finally showed up. If you guys aren't a subscriber, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. You guys, as always, make sure you stay blessed up. Stay safe this Memorial weekend. And I will see you guys later. Oh, and by the way, I will put the link to this case from Amazon in the description box. Just in case anyone is interested in getting one. I know I first had drama with it, but it did show up. Hopefully if you decide you get one, you probably won't have the drama that I did. So yeah. Alright guys, bye.